Well, I think the question answers itself in regards to the reo, that it is the very essence of who we are as an Indigenous people, and the language gives opportunity for us all, not only Maori, but for the whole of Aotearoa New Zealand, to make a statement about who we are in the Pacific and our place in the Pacific, and how we relate to the rest of the world. And the language gives us our sense of identity of who we are, first and foremost as Maori, but more importantly, as New Zealanders moving forward. It's a simple thing of saying, for first point, kia ora, kia kaha te reo, and to support the kaupapa in any way you can. Wake up in the morning and say to yourself, kia ora, I wish myself well for the day, and I wish the world well for the day.
I was supporting Maori Language Week, Te Wiki or Te Reo Maori. It's important, it should be important to everybody. It's important to me. I know it's important to the class that we're doing. I'm just starting level 2 Maori, so yeah, it's important to keep it going.
Te tautoko Maori Language Week, of course, tautoko e a reo, and te tautoko e a tamariki, that are the source of our reo nowadays. So it's important for me because we all have to do our part to ensure that this taonga survives beyond ourselves and implant that taonga into our tamariki as well. Ka mau ki tō tātou nei reo, hei oranga mō tō tātou nei iwi Māori.
Ki te tautoko i te reo Māori, me ona tikanga, te mea ko tēnei te reo o tātou tūpuna. Nā reira, me pūmau kaha tātou ki tō tātou reo.
We're here to celebrate Te Reo Maori Language Week. Just speak it and let everyone enjoy it and help other people learn it.
Kei konei mātai mo te whakanui me te whakamana i te wiki o Te Reo Maori. He taonga tuku iho, he onge ka meha nā o mātou mātua tūpuna. He here ki te whenua, he whakapapa.
We're here to promote and to whakapakari Te Reo Maori. It's very important for me because I was raised in Te Reo. I'm a native speaker. I didn't go to school to learn Te Reo, and I want my mokopuna and all the other mokopuna to take it on. If anyone wants to make love to me, I'm ready in Te Reo Maori. Kei konei au mo Te Reo. I'm here to promote the language so that we, as a people of Aotearoa, will survive.